Thinking of refinancing your car loan but feeling unsure about which company to trust? With so many flashy promises and fine print in the auto loan world, it's smart to be skeptical. Auto-Approve is one company getting a lot of attention lately for offering fast and simple vehicle loan refinancing even if your credit isn't perfect. But is it the real deal or just another service that sounds too good to be true? Founded in 2016, Auto-Approve claims to help drivers lower their monthly car payments by offering better loan terms with a PRS starting at 0.29%, and loan amounts ranging from $5,000 to $85,000. They've racked up over 10,000 reviews on Trustpilot with a 4.6-star rating, hold an A rating from the Better Business Bureau, and have even won a few awards from review sites like Supermoney. On the surface, that all sounds impressive, but does it actually deliver in real-life situations? In this video, we take a deep dive into how Auto-Approve works, what kind of refinancing terms they offer, and the hidden details most people miss. We've looked at real user experiences, highlighting both the satisfied customers and those who felt disappointed due to unexpected fees, aggressive marketing, or unclear communication. Some users praise how much money they saved, while others warn about pressure tactics and slower-than-promised timelines. This review isn't about painting Auto-Approve as perfect or as a scam, it's about giving you the full picture, including the pros, cons, and red flags you need to watch out for.